Malacanang assures that the Philippine government will not let the territorial dispute with China escalate into a full-blown armed conflict. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte gave the assurance to allay apprehensions that the sea row will result in a war with China. Rocky Ignacio filed this report.
Malacanang assures measures not to escalate tension with China in Sea. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte said this in response to an SWS survey in the first quarter showing 84% of Filipinos are worried about a possible armed conflict due to the country's territorial row with China in the West Philippine Sea.
It's natural for people to worry about armed conflict. It would be unnatural if you don't worry about armed conflict because it's a given that in conflict no one wins. Kaya yun din yung iniingatan ng pamahalaan. Ayaw nating magkaroon ng insidenteng, magkakaroon ng tendency to escalate. Kasi pag nag-escalate yan, paano na yung magiging epekto niyan? Hindi lang dun sa mga sundalo nating humanib, ngunit dun sa mga ordinaryong taong tulad natin.
In the same survey, 49% of Filipinos supported the Philippines' action to elevate its case in the International Tribunal. Valte reiterates that it is in the best interest of the country to adopt a peaceful resolution of the issue.
And it's not unknown to us that there are some who favor direct action. When I say direct action, I mean kapag nagkakaroon ng insidente, ng harapan, gusto nila parang ituloy na or mas maging agresibo. Sa paniniwala naman ng ating Pangulo at ng ating administrasyon, it is in the nation's best interest if we continue to adopt a peaceful manner of addressing the disputes that we have.
The continued reclamation of China in Philippine territory upsets even Filipinos abroad because of the damage that had been caused on the environment. A reason for them to call for a boycott against Chinese products. Although Malacanang understands their sentiments, Valte reiterates the government's position for a peaceful resolution on territorial disputes.
Welcome all visitors to the Philippines. At tandaan po natin, marami po sa atin ang ethnic Chinese. Kumbaga marami hong Pilipinong merong dugong Chino pero dito ho pinanganak. Siguro po lahat tayo malaya o nung mga paraan at gamitin yung ating mga boses para ilabas yung ating saloobin doon sa reclamation, doon sa pagkasira ng mga natural resources at marine resources doon. But for government, we have always been clear that we have adopted the 3 different tracks that we have been sticking to since the day that we had this problem. So sa atin po, yun lang. Ayaw po nating magkaroon ng tendency to provoke or to escalate because we feel that it would be counterproductive, at least on the side of government.
Chinese ambassador to the Philippines, Zhao Jinhua, during Van Dinor held in Iloilo, said that the Philippines and China remain despite territorial row. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.